Well, my name is Francis Peter Ojeda. I'm the Executive Director for the Uganda National Cultural Center. We have received a new board, which was just put in place last month. So we are taking them through to be able to appreciate what the National Cultural Center does. And we've been moving around. We started right from the normal gallery. We took them around to see, because these are facilities they're going to take charge of. Today, now we came to the National Theatre. It is very true that the renovation is going to take place. It was a directive given to us by the Honourable Minister that the board should within 1 month give her a proposal on how we're going to renovate here. But I think the renovation is not going to stop at renovation. We also want to do redevelopment. There's a lot of land here which ordinarily, if we used it well, we can put one floor for entrepreneurs, another for women to do their work, and then it can accommodate. Even there is a proposal to have the 56 tribes of Uganda having stalls where they can sell their food and so forth. So there's a lot, and we want to do renovation of this old building so that it looks better, because it is an iconic building which we need to keep. But then along on the parking and also some space here, we should be able to put buildings that would be able to help us to move art and culture. Obviously, this sector is too big. We have 9 domains and we have to work with everybody. And as you can see, this sector brings in different ideas, and you must be able to just try to put the ideas together and make sure that the ideas work. But otherwise, we work with everybody.
We received the Minister for Culture, Transport, Sports, and he's a minister from Comoros who has 5 different portfolios. He stopped at the Uganda National Cultural Center to talk about their desire to collaborate with us in areas of culture. So we had a good conversation about cultural exchange, with having Ugandan artists go to the Comoros and having Comorian artists come to Uganda. And we also talked about involving them in the upcoming World Culture Day, and also in other activities that are coming up in November. So it was a very cordial conversation, and he called on the Minister for Gender, then also the Minister for Youth and Culture, and then eventually came to call on us at UNCC.